Hi, I'm Lee Weldon from Counter Dimensions, and I'm a kitchen and bath designer here. One question I get asked a lot is, what makes you different from some of the big box stores? I've worked in those locations, and I've worked for several other companies over the years, and the biggest thing that makes a big difference is, the number one thing that makes a big difference between us and some other competitors would be that experience. Not only are we as designers experienced in the field of laying things out and designing and creating the kitchen of your dreams, but we also have fantastic installers. And from my experience, that makes a huge difference. In the past, some of the places I've worked have not had that. And once you get the kitchen designed and the cabinets are beautiful, when they start going in, there's problems with installation because you don't have true craftsmen putting them in. They're just hammering some cabinets into the wall. They can't make all the parts and pieces fit together exactly like they need to fit. If something comes in slightly scratched or slightly, the hinge is a little wompy jawed, they can fix it. They know how to make things absolutely perfect. And that creates an atmosphere where there's a lot less stress on you and there's a lot less stress on us, and the project comes out much more beautiful, and the project runs a lot more efficiently that way from start to finish when you have someone who knows what they're doing from the design end and someone who knows what they're doing on the installation end. If you have any other questions, you can go to www.remodeldimensions.com/free.